What's up everyone, welcome back to Ford Ventures. It's Hong once again, and I do apologize for not making any videos as of late. I've been plagued with several Jeep issues surrounding the evap system, and I thought I'd just do a quick recap of what I've done. Both of them have been resolved, but I thought I'd just do a recap to show you guys what I've done that might help you guys if you encounter this issue. First one is, well actually this is the second one, P0452 Evaporative Emission System Pressure Sensor Switch Slow. Now this one was pretty straightforward. What I've done was just replaced the evap valve with a new one. A brand new one cost around 40 bucks Canadian, $40 to $50 depending where you order it. But as you can see, this one right here makes a rattle, which shouldn't be doing that. A new one does not rattle, so I had to replace this guy, and it was pretty straightforward. So all I had to do was go under here and go right down into this spot right here and replace the old one with this new one here. It's pretty easy fix. Would be easier if you take off the skid plate right here, but mine is pretty caked on. Still have some PB blaster that I've been letting it soak there, but it's not budging. So let me just try to get in here. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. All you do is just remove this tubing. It takes a little muscle work to get this guy out, depending how old your Jeep is. And then you remove this switch right here, and then there is a little tab at the bottom. I don't know if you can see my pinky right here. You gotta press on this tab and actually move it forward, and then you twist it counterclockwise to get it off, and then you just put the new one. Make sure you put the O-ring, the new O-ring on, and don't forget that, and she's good to go. Alright, let's go on to the second issue that I had. The next code that I received, I can't remember what number it was. I think it was P0441 or 440, or in that range, in that evap system range, was the missing gas cap. So what I did was replace the gas cap, make sure the area was clean, and put that on, and delete the code, and everything was hunky-dory. That resolved that code. But yeah, this one, the 452, took a little bit more work, a little bit more research, because I couldn't find any videos online regarding the 452. Everything revolved around 455, 457, 456, and all that. So I took a shot of replacing this. I wasn't sure that the evap system was bad, and gladly it was. You know, you heard the shaking. So yeah, good to go. Hopefully nothing else pops up. I'm really happy that it was not the nipple on the gas tank. That would be a lot of trouble and very costly. You would need to replace the whole gas tank. And that new gas tank is going to go around $600 to $700 plus labor, taxes, and all that. So I'm glad it's not that for now. Fingers crossed, knock on wood, that doesn't pop up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys thought that was helpful in any way, hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, bye.